Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make vegetable rice. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this recipe I use some leftover rice, but if you have freshly cooked rice you can use that. So you'll start by heating 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. After 1 minute you're going to fry in your onions. You can also decide to use spring onion or white onion. I used red onion. You're going to saute that until translucent. After that you're going to add in your bell peppers, of which is red, green and yellow, and also 1 carrot diced. You're going to saute that for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes you're going to add in some salt to taste. You can also add spices of your choice at this point. After 2 minutes of proper stir, you're going to add in your cooked rice. Then you're going to give it a stir so that the vegetables and the rice should be well combined and the colors should be popping. You let the vegetable rice cook for about 2 minutes to 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes your rice should be ready. As you can see, the colors are popping and it looks so delicious. Guys, please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. And don't forget to give this video a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn how to make the vegetable rice at home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so, and please do share this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.